Hey y'all, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I wanted to provide another video for you today. I did one just a few minutes ago, but I want to post another one here because Boeing is in the news today. BA is the stock. It's had a pretty rough day. It's tanked quite a bit. There have been a couple crashes lately in one of their best-selling aircraft, and it's had a big impact on the stock. So I want to show you what it means in terms of the Elliott Wave pattern so you can see if you own Boeing or if you're looking for a buying opportunity or selling opportunity. Whatever you're looking for, I just want to show you what is going on with the Elliott Wave pattern so you can understand the full impact of what is happening here. So I'm going to show you a few charts. It's going to be very quick and just show you the key levels that you want to be watching on Boeing's price chart from here to determine what is next for Boeing stock. Here we go. All right, y'all. So this is Boeing's chart dating back to 1980, and this is how much data we have in total. I use stockcharts.com, but this shows you basically everything you need to know about Boeing. Since 82, pretty early on, and it's at least in the data that we have, everything that we're seeing on its chart is either one of two things. It's either a trendy 5-wave movement to the upside, like we saw from 1982 into 2001, or counter-trend pullbacks, 3-wave moves, like you can see here in this pullback from 2001 into the 2009 low, one large 3-wave move there, and then you have another nice trendy 5-wave advance. So on a really long-term time frame, Boeing's solid. Everything that's happening to the upside is trendy. Everything that's happening to the downside is counter-trend movement, but there is a concern. And if you look at this advance off the 2009 low here, you see a really clear 5-wave advance. By itself, that's bullish, but as you know, when 5-wave moves complete, you enter into very large counter-trend moves to correct those 5-wave moves. Kind of like what you saw here. You saw the completion of this 5-wave move, and then you saw Boeing turn sideways for nearly a decade before it was able to resume its uptrend officially. So there is some concern that maybe this 5-wave advance that played off the 2009 low on Boeing could be near an end. But let's zoom into more important stuff as far as the shorter term time frames go. This takes a look at the advance off the 2016 low on Boeing. Again, it's a really nice move, but what you see is that it looks like it's a very nice 5-wave move that could have ended. I mean, you're seeing this weakness that popped up today, and so there's some concern that some pretty big upside patterns are ending, and that could set up a much larger counter-trend pullback that could depress the price of Boeing for a significant amount of time. Now, I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. That is not confirmed yet. It is not confirmed that this up leg is over, but there certainly is a concern when you see this weakness, and I'm going to show you what needs to happen moving forward to either salvage what's going on with Boeing so it can continue its uptrend or indicate that an important high is in fact in. So let's go ahead and do that. Zooming in here, this is looking specifically just at what's happened off this up leg in late 2018 to the upside. This is that up leg there after a very large counter trend pullback move. I mean, you can see pretty starkly the difference between counter trend price action moving sideways and trendy action to the upside as we saw here. So there's no doubt that this up leg off of December's low completed and that some larger pullback has begun. But the question is, what is the significance of this pullback? Will it be a major high or will it just be a little blip before, say, Boeing starts an even larger 5-wave advance, something like that? So here is what you want to be watching on Boeing moving forward. If Boeing moves below 350, from here, that is going to be a warning sign that a more important high is in, and that would suggest that this up leg off the 2016 low has completed and is being corrected, but even possibly that even the entire 5-wave advance off the 2009 low has been completed. So 350 is a super big level to watch on Boeing. If it goes below there, you should not own Boeing. You want to be out of Boeing for sure. Now, on the other side, if Boeing can get above the level 420, that's going to be an indication that what has happened in March, and most specifically today with its tank job that went on, is a counter-trend move. Despite its sharpness, it's a counter-trend move, and that will give Boeing an opportunity to resume its uptrend right away despite what has happened today. So those are the levels you want to be watching on Boeing according to the Elliott Wave pattern and Fibonacci retracements. 350 to the downside, a move below there, bad. That's not a good thing. Do not own Boeing. If Boeing can recover above 420, now you're talking, that's looking like this was kind of a flash in the pan type, flash crash type deal. and that the uptrend can resume on Boeing from there. So, hey, I hope that's helpful. I'm here to bring you smart analysis on what's happening on the hottest stocks out there. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. If anything hits the news wire like it did today, we're going to be analyzing it to tell you what it means and whether it can recover or whether it signifies a more important high. So have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.